now have Brandon with me, and his testimony is about the restoration of his relationship with his mother. Brandon said for about a year, he has been very disobedient towards his mother, and this caused his mother to always scold him. So there was no peace in the house and no peace in his relationship with his mother. But Brandon was in Revival Church International for the first time last week and Sunday evening. And on Sunday evening, he also surrendered his life to Jesus Christ. Brandon said after he surrendered his life to Jesus Christ and he went back home, for this entire week, he realized that there was peace in the house and there was no more struggling and scolding between him and his mother. And he wondered why this could be, but then he realized it is because he surrendered his life to Jesus Christ that peace was restored to his relationship with his mother.